Hey there, friends. This is going to be a short one about a new technology. I have this, I stole this from my own REPL IT. You see this stuff at the top? That's called PyScript. Here it is on GitHub, the same thing. So most of this code looks like Python, but you're actually in an HTML web page looking at the Koski Identities. And this is what's going to render. We're going to run Python in the browser. So that's kind of a holy grail if you're not sure where this all fits in the grand scheme of things. This is a code school, and I'm trying to learn so that I can turn around and teach stuff about PyScript. So it's going to take a while to load, apparently. Let's go look at something else. In the meantime, there's the source code again. So I'm using the S module stuff. I'll show you the S and the E modules in case you don't remember. This is from this channel. It's commonplace to talk about this module S, and the E's there's 120 of them, make the rhombic tricontahedron. And we phi scale them up and down and do these summations to get volumes of well-known polyhedra, which I then print. See, that was all Python. And then the final bit of padding. I had to learn about padding again, and so I went to W3 school. And this is the result, which I'm pretty satisfied with, right? So it looks good. Anaconda is backing this up. It lets you put Python, and you can split out your Python into separate files. JavaScript is still there, and it's compiling to WebAssembly. All this Python you're looking at is under the hood. It goes to a different bytecode, I guess. Here's where you go to get it, pyscript.net. And there's kind of a joke down here when you say install, it says just kidding, you don't need to install anything. And there's the two lines I've been showing you. I sneak those in at the very top of my web page, right? I copy paste and I put them in, and that lets me create, there they are, that lets me create these new PyScript tags and run Python in the browser. So that's a coding school kind of topic. Coming to you from Greater Portland's, all levels. Check me out on the web, Oregon Curriculum Network.